Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to borrow money from the Cash App. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, open the Cash App on your phone or tablet. The only way to know for sure if you can borrow money from the Cash App is to look for the borrow option in the app. Start by tapping the green and white $sign on your Android, iPhone, or iPad's app list. Tap your balance or the bank icon. You will see one of these two items at the bottom left corner of the screen. Depending on your version of the app, tap Borrow. If you qualify to borrow a loan from Cash App, you will see this option at the bottom of the list. If you don't see this option, you are not yet eligible to borrow from Cash App. Tap Get Started to see how much you can borrow. If you're able to borrow from the Cash App, you will see exactly how much you can borrow at the top of the screen. Select an amount and choose Next. You can choose a denomination or tap the three dots to enter a custom amount. Review your loan and tap Next. You will see a screen that explains the flat fee of 5%, the date by which you will need to pay the loan back, and the total amount to repay. Select a repayment method and tap Next. You will have three options for repaying your loan. As you get the loan, each time you get money in Cash App, 10% of the deposit will be set aside to pay back your loan. For weekly payments, you will pay the amount listed on the date listed each week for 4 weeks, all at once. You will pay the full balance at once on or before the date listed. If you haven't paid the loan back by the listed date, the full amount will be deducted from your Cash App balance. If there's not enough in your balance to cover the amount, Cash App will deduct the amount from your linked debit card automatically. Review the repayment details and tap Borrow instantly. If you agree to the repayment terms listed in Cash App, tapping Borrow instantly transfers the full amount to your Cash App balance, where you can send or spend it instantly. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.